Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a question that's been puzzling many of you. How can I change the slug of a blob which is opened in a new tab? Using JavaScript, this topic is especially important for web developers who work with blobs and want to customize their URL. In this video, we'll break down the steps involved in achieving this and provide a clear explanation of the concept. So let's start by understanding what a blob is and how it works. A blob, or binary large object, is a data type that represents a file-like object. When you open a blob in a new tab, the browser creates a new URL for it, which includes a slug. The slug is the part of the URL that identifies the specific resource. Now, to change the slug of a blob opened in a new tab using JavaScript, we need to follow these steps. Firstly, we need to create a blob object. We can do this by using the new blob constructor and passing in an array of data. This data can be anything from text to binary data. Secondly, we need to get the URL of the blob. We can do this by using the URL create objectual method, which returns a string representing the URL of the blob. Thirdly, we need to open the blob in a new tab. We can do this by using the window open method and passing in the URL of the blob. Lastly, we need to change the slug of the blob. This is where things get a bit tricky. The slug is part of the URL, so we need to manipulate the URL string to change it. Imagine you have a URL like this, blob.example.com abcone 123. To change the slug from abcone 123 to defer 156, we can use JavaScript string manipulation methods, such as the replace method or the split, and join methods. And join method, we can split the URL into parts, replace the slug part with our new slug, and then join the parts back together. By following these steps, you should be able to change the slug of a blob opened in a new tab using JavaScript. Just to recap, here are the key points we covered. Create a blob object using new blob. Get the URL of the blob using URL create objectual. Open the blob in a new tab using window open. Manipulate the URL string to change the slug. Remember, these steps provide a general outline of how to achieve this. Depending on your specific use case, you may need to modify or add additional steps. And that's it for today. I hope this explanation helped clarify things for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on web development and related topics. We'll see you in the next video. What's your favorite way of working with blobs? Share your experiences and tips in the comments.